let's think about ratios and proportions and have some fun with them. So let's start off very simply, where in fact we should realize that we've seen ratios and proportions quite a lot. In fact, when we're thinking about fractions, really, we can interpret them as a ratio or a proportion. So, for example, let's think of a line. Well, a line we know has a particular pitch, and we refer to that as slope. We know how to find slope, right? Slope is easy to compute. It's just going to be the rise over the run. Or to be very, very specific, it's actually just the change in the y values divided by the corresponding change in the x values. So let's write a proportion that expresses the slope of this line L that passes through the point A and B. And I want to write down. So here we go. So what's the proportion? Well, I look for the y2 minus y1. So you can pick either one to be the y1 and y2. So let's take 2 and subtract 0. And divide that by the 4 minus negative 4. You might think, wow, 4 minus negative 4, that's going to be 0. But no, we have to be careful, right? 4 minus negative 4, it's actually going to be 8. At the top I see 2 minus 0 is 2. At the bottom I have 8. And so write a ratio that expresses the slope, we could say, well, 2 over 8, but we can actually simplify that a little bit. If we simplify that, we can write that as 1 over 4. So that is a ratio that expresses, in fact, the slope of the line.